Hey you guys, how y'all doing today? As you see, this is a Rasta Pasta meal. And yes, this is one of my old videos and I want to run it back in fast motion, less than 2 minutes, so you can get this recipe. As you can see, there go the ingredients, all you need in order, and let's start the countdown. Boom, it took me 68 seconds to run this recipe back for you in fast motion. I hope you enjoy. Look at it. It looks delicious. Now, if you want the recipe in detail, comment below and let me know, and I will DM you the easy breezy Rasta Pasta recipe. Rasta Pasta. Rasta Pasta. Have some? Get you some. Get you some. Oh, y'all, it's hot. Oh. Here you go. Here you go, James. James, here. Oh, I still got that oven on. Let's try it. It's hot. My God, today. Baby, look at that.